today. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Joylyn Indico Basal, 26 years old, married. I have two sons, ages 8 and 2 years old. I live in San Roque, Dumalag, Capiz. I have two sisters. I am the youngest child of the family. I am vocational graduate.
Okay, can you tutor kids?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you the one taking care of your sons since their birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And who will take care of your two sons if you work abroad?
My parents, ma'am.
Do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me about your work experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines.
I work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 3 years to a couple with two kids, ages 5 and 2 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes. But my main duty is to take care of the kids.
Is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
So it means you're the only one taking care of the two kids and doing all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am responsible, honest, trustworthy.
Are you a happy person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
And do you have surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad, ma'am, to be able to send my children in school and to be able to build a house for my family.
Okay, so it means you need a financial support for your children's education.
Yes, ma'am.
What time you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up around 5 a.m., ma'am.
Okay, in Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. So how will you control your temper?
I will be more patient and understanding to them, ma'am.
Okay, so if you are homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay, do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids and elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
And what will you do if that baby is sick?
First, ma'am, I will check the temperature of the baby. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract with your employer?
Yes, ma'am. And I am willing to extend my contract as long as my employers needs me.
Can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, thank you. Can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I, I, I will promise that if you will pick me as your helper, I am a hardworking, understanding, and responsible person, ma'am. Thank you, and
Okay, so can you promise also to your future employer that you will take care of their children like your own children?
yes, ma'am.
And you will serve their family with all your heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.